How to make a poll on Discord. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to create a poll on Discord. So let's get started. First, what you guys have to do is you will open up your Discord server, and then you can go to your new tab and search for top.gg, and you will land right here. Here we have different Discord bots and servers available. So in this search bar over here, you're gonna search for simple poll. Okay, so the first one you can see here, this is the bot that we need to add to our Discord server. Now you're going to click on invite. So now you can see this is the server that I chose, and we have simple poll here. This is a bot that will allow me to create poll, and you can see it also says that simple poll has been added to my Discord server. So you're going to type slash, and then you will find this right here, slash poll. Select it, and you have to enter your question. For example, how would you rate this video? So I can create a poll like this, and now what you need to do is you just create a space, and then you can enter your options. Choice A, and then you can enter like different choices as well, and this way you will be able to create a poll on Discord. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.